Hey guys, James with Torches and Tactical, and today we're going to be looking at the VEVOR 10,000 lumen flashlight. Now they sent this to me with their survival kit. Go check out that video. It is the last one posted. If you haven't seen it yet, that is going to be, frankly, for the price, pretty good. However, when it comes to, I guess, I don't want to say blatant lies, but I kind of have to say blatant lies. The VEVOR 10,000 lumen flashlight does kind of fall short. Now this one's going to be pretty quick because you guys have all seen these zoomies. Now this is rated at 10,000 lumens, but here, let's go ahead and go on high. And you can see some of that PWM right away, but you can tell that this isn't 10,000 lumens, or else we pretty much wouldn't be able to see anything at all right now. It is also rated at 1,700 feet of throw, which, if I'm doing the math in my head correctly, is about 500 meters. And it also says it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. But if we pop open this cap, I don't see a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, but I do see a 2,200 milliamp hour 18650 cell. What I do see though is a plastic sleeve in here. So if you take this plastic sleeve out, yes, I don't see why you couldn't fit like a 27,650, and you know that you'll get a much higher capacity than a regular 18,650. Even a 21,500 will be, 21,700 will give you a lot more capacity than just the 2,200 milliamp hours from this. But you do see it is all black. I actually kind of dig the finish. I think the finish looks really good. It's just on that edge of shiny, but it's still, it's almost a satin versus a shiny or glossy or even a matte look. So I do kind of dig the satin finish. But you can see here some of the designs up here. This kind of reminds me of some older Sofern lights. The grooves cut out. I mean, this is pretty standard for those zoomy flashlights because it does zoom in and out. You can see that LED looks to be about a 70-70 emitter, but you get a lot more focus when it comes back to the point where if you're far enough back, you can actually see the dye lines on the beam pattern. Let's go ahead and shut that off again though. But in the package, it does come with, again, that 2,200 milliamp hour battery. It's saved in transit with this plastic isolator to make sure that it doesn't come on. And it all comes inside this box. So here's the super bright P50 LED flashlight. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say right now, all the numbers I have to say are probably going to be fall short of what they say it is. It does show 168 millimeters. Those actually seem to be pretty accurate. I'll show you here with my ruler here in just a second. But all the numbers seem to fall a little short, almost like it was supposed to come with a different battery, but they put that 18650 in there. And in order to charge up that 18650, you do have this USB-A to USB-C cable. But let's go ahead and get these out of the way. And I will show you here. So 168 comes to just over 6 inches. So this puts us at about 6.5 inches. So I believe that number to be accurate. And then the head comes to just over 1.5 inches. So we're looking, yeah, I do think that setting 42 by 168 seems to be pretty accurate. So on the back side here, you do see that USB charging port. I do wish the cover was a little more sturdy, and I mean, frankly, I think the lanyard is probably pretty, like this is pretty high quality. I kind of dig this. You know, I don't necessarily care for the bead while it has the slip here, but you can remove it so it doesn't get in your way. And as far as the user interface, like most, or I'd say probably 90% of zoomies, you do have the single button here. And well, just real fast, there are a series of indicators. So 4 LEDs giving you notification on on 25% each of that battery. But I will turn it on now. So this is supposed to be 10,000 lumens. I promise you it's not. Like my hand would be glaring and it would just peak that camera so quickly. But then you have your medium, your low, you have a strobe, and you have a SOS as well. So if you do find yourself in a situation, now, I mean, I'm not going to say that I hate this. I don't hate zoomy flashlights. I think the only thing that I dislike about them is the fact that they try to pass them off as something they're not. This is nowhere near 10,000 lumens. Frankly, this isn't going to get 500 and some odd meters of throw, and it doesn't come with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Just on the website, just tell it like it is, and I think you'll do a lot better. It's almost like they assume people want these big, bad flashlights, so they throw all these ridiculous numbers at them, and that's going to give them something, I guess, to show, make it look more hardcore, I guess, than it actually is. But if they just don't lie about it and say, hey, it's 2,000 lumens or whatever it comes to be, and it comes with an 18650, but you can go ahead and put different batteries in there for more battery life, I think that would be even better. This does come in at $15.99 on the VEVOR site. I will post a link down below so you guys can check that out. For $16, honestly, it's not a bad flashlight. It falls so far short of what they say it's supposed to that I can't recommend it for the specs that they say. I can recommend it at the $15.99 price, but I can't recommend it considering you're expecting a 10,000 lumen flashlight with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 1,700 meters of throw. So I guess it's good, fast, cheap. You can only pick two, and I think we know which ones are here. All right, guys, tonight we're outside with the VEVOR P50 Ultra Bright flashlight. Rated at 10,000 lumens, although I think that we are going to be a little disappointed as far as the output. Again, not necessarily terrible, just not the 10,000 we're looking for. So I'm just going to go ahead and get straight into this. Let's go. This is the high mode. So this is the full alleged 10,000 lumens. And since it is a zoomy, you can see, you can get kind of that Windows PC logo back there. Now it does shine out. The that pole is at about 100 meters, maybe just a little bit less. But actually the color's not terrible when you find just the right spot. It's like right here, the color's not that bad. But I'll go ahead and drop it down into medium. You can see that pole disappear. Low, even over by that pond, is still gone. Then you have your strobe, and one more press will be SOS. So again, you can do all these in either full width, or you can focus that beam. So you do also have your indicators here. So right now you can see it is a full battery. All right, now let's go ahead and go straight back in to high here for just a second. All right, this is the VEVOR P50 Ultra Bright flashlight. Now you can tell it's raining. Let's get back inside. So guys, down below, go ahead and let me know what you think of the VEVOR P50 10,000 lumen flashlight. And also don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and click on that bell notification, because that'll let you know when we have other VEVOR products or other flashlights coming to the channel. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one.